Hello, I'm Dennis Mercer. Today I'm aboard the Sabre 48. Sabre 48 is a great package for you. If you would like to cruise with friends and family, this is your model. One of the things that I love about the Sabre 48, elevated helm platform, you have a nice place for your guests to sit while you're underway, two very nice skid seats, glass cockpit with the Volvo IPS package. We go down below, and one of the things that I really enjoy about this boat is this athwart ship master. You've got plenty of storage. You can see all the drawers and cabinet space. These Soji panels act as privacy. You can open them up to get the full light, or if you need some privacy while you're en suite, you can close these up. You still get plenty of natural light. Go right into a full head. Very nice features. You can do the glass bowl if you'd like, or you can do a countertop sunken in sink. This is called a coastline countertop here. This has actually been modified. The normal standard would have a full upright refrigeration system. The guest stateroom is actually the same accommodations of most yachts' master stateroom. All the way forward, your guests have their own private en suite head, completely separate. Very unique feature about the Sabre 48, and this is a game changer. When you get into the 48-foot market, challenge yourself to find a 3-bed, 3-head boat. This boat has it. Let's show you. So this unique space offers an area for another couple or grandchildren, whoever, to stay in, but you're down below. What we have is a safety feature here. There's a pop-away hatch here. The mechanical mechanism is also overridden. You can manually open the settee to get in and out. So it's a safe space. It's plenty of room. 2 adults can sleep here. You can do it with the head. And like I said, that makes the Sabre 48 Salon Express a 3-stateroom boat if you choose to option it out that way. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Dennis Mercer. I'm from Sandy Hook Yacht Sales. If you would like more information, you can visit our website at sandyhookyachts.com or send us a direct email at sales@sandyhookyachts.com. I'd be happy to help you. I look forward to talking to you.